Well, my friends, I'm at Tecma here today, and I'm with Jorge, a very solid guy at SolidServices, talking SolidCAM, talking SolidWorks, and also solid 3D printing. Woo, that's a mouthful right there, but it's also very solid. Jorge, it's good to be with you, good to spend time. I know partners are the name of the game here at SolidServices, so let's talk a little bit more about what you do here.
What did I do? So I do that the client needs to do. What is that? If you need a drawing, 3D drawing, or if you need a 3D printing, a facing printing, or if you need a engineering reverse with the scanners, we do all that things. All the need that the client say, okay, I have that idea, but I don't know how to put in the reality. So could you help me, Jorge? Yeah, we can help you. Yeah, we have the softwares, we have the hardware, and we have the partners. We work together with the partners too.
I quite literally, Jorge, had a conversation with someone the other day. They said, hey, I think companies out there are now requiring more and more help from partners. There's no longer, I'm going to drop off my cutting tool, I'm going to drop off my machine, I'm going to drop off my coolant. They want to be, I mean, hand holding's a little strong, but they want to be supported along the way, and that's what you do, right?
Yeah, that's what I do. We don't have the machines, but we have the clients, we have the partners that they have the machines. So we work together. And if one client say, okay, Jorge, I need a machine with 3-axis or 4-axis that I'm going to machine in steel or something like that. Okay, I don't have the machine, but I have the partner, so we work together with the partner, whatever the client needs.
Well, I'm looking around your booth, and I see, I mean, it's arguably one of the busiest booths here. So to me, what that shows is you're helping people. People want that. People need that. And to come to you and say, Jorge, I need your help. I actually think a little bit, do you ever see that movie, The Wizard of Oz?
Yes,
do you
the
see
Wizard
that?
of, yeah.
You know the wizard that always grants the wishes?
Yeah.
That's kind of like you, I
Yeah.
think, right?
Well, the technology, the people needs to understood all the technology. So we work with technology. You saw the dogs?
Yes.
The robot dogs, the scanners. That is the technology. And the people say, okay, I don't understand the technology and I feel afraid about that. But we can help to understand all the technology, all the solutions. For what? For invest or for helping your process or whatever you need.
I love that you say that, because that is exactly what we need right now. And you having the ability to, I guess, bring courage to an environment where we might be a little scared to step out of our comfort zone.
Yeah.
You are the expert. Look, my job is to do these interviews with people around the world, Jorge, and learn as much about a technology as I can. But it's evolving so quickly that we need experts like you to help us fine-tune our wild imagination to know what we can and can't do.
And we love to do that because it's a big things to understand. You have the main idea, but you know how to do that idea, and we're thinking about how can help you, and very important too, the capacitation. So we take you the hand and we go together to grow up together. We love that.
Yeah, that's exactly what we need. Now that we've addressed to the audience kind of what you're up to, what you support, being able to help them, can you offer us a website where we can find out a little bit more about SolidServices?
Yeah, we work with 7 different brands. Artec, like the scanners, 3D systems, 3D printers. SolidWorks, it's a 3D CAD. SolidCAM, it's a CAM CAD. And Lantec and Geomagic. So in the web, it's solidservicios.com, and each brand has their own web. So you can put artec.com or 3dsystem.com or solidworks.com, but the main is solidservicios.com.
Well, muchas gracias, mucho gusto, el placer es mío.
Muchas gracias,
Yes.
and thank you very much for the interview.
Absolutely, thank you, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you again soon.
Thank you.